Imagine a world where colossal creatures ruled the lands, skies and seas. Welcome to the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs. In this bygone era, a time far removed from our own, the Earth was a stage for the theatre of life, where the dinosaurs were the main actors. These creatures, in all their diverse forms and sizes, thrived in habitats that spanned the globe. From the towering Brachiosaurus of the Jurassic period to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex of the Cretaceous, dinosaurs were the kings and queens of their domains. But what kind of world allowed these magnificent creatures to evolve and proliferate? The Earth during the Mesozoic era was a vastly different place than it is today. The climate was warmer with no polar ice caps, and the continents were in the process of breaking apart from a single massive landmass known as Pangaea. This global disassembly led to a variety of new habitats, from lush forests to vast inland seas, providing the perfect backdrop for the age of dinosaurs. These environmental factors, combined with the abundance of resources and lack of large predators, created a veritable paradise for these incredible animals. Dinosaurs evolved to fill every ecological niche, from the smallest insectivores to the largest herbivores. They developed unique adaptations to survive and thrive, such as the long necks of sauropods for reaching high vegetation and the sharp teeth of carnivores for tearing into flesh. The reign of the dinosaurs is a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life. For over 160 million years, they were the uncontested rulers of the Earth, a period of time that far exceeds the existence of humans. They were a testament to nature's ingenuity, a marvel of the natural world. But even the mightiest of empires must face the inevitability of change. For millions of years, these magnificent beasts dominated Earth, but then something dramatic happened. Hundreds of thousands of years before the dinosaurs' final hour, the Earth began to rumble and roar in what is now India. In this region, profound geological forces roused a behemoth from the depths of the Earth. This was no ordinary geological event, but a series of volcanic eruptions so colossal they would sculpt a plateau of solidified lava covering over 500,000 square miles. This monumental event in Earth's history is known today as the Deccan Eruptions. The Earth didn't merely sigh, it bellowed, spewing forth molten rock and gases on a scale that's hard for us to fathom today. These eruptions didn't happen overnight. They spanned hundreds of thousands of years, slowly but relentlessly altering the Earth's climate. The volume of material ejected by these eruptions was staggering. It wasn't just the lava flows, which were extensive enough to cover a significant portion of the Indian subcontinent, but also the gases. Among these were vast quantities of sulfur and carbon dioxide, gases that, when released into the atmosphere, can have a profound impact on the climate. The sulfur formed aerosols in the atmosphere, minute particles that reflect sunlight back into space. This caused a drop in global temperatures, a phenomenon we know as a volcanic winter. At the same time, the carbon dioxide caused a greenhouse effect, warming the planet once the aerosols settled. This yo-yoing between extremes put enormous stress on ecosystems worldwide. The Deccan eruptions were no local disaster. They were a global catastrophe, disrupting dinosaur ecosystems far and wide. The lush, warm world that the dinosaurs had thrived in was becoming more hostile. The changing climate would have affected the plants at the base of the food chain, leading to a domino effect up to the largest of dinosaurs. The result was a gradual decline in dinosaur populations long before the final blow was delivered. The world was changing and the dinosaurs were in peril, yet the worst was still to come. As if the volcanic eruptions were not catastrophic enough, a celestial object was on a collision course with Earth. Around 66 million years ago, while our planet was still reeling from the devastating effects of the Deccan eruption, a new disaster was hurtling towards us from the depths of space. An asteroid, estimated to be about 6 to 9 miles in diameter, was speeding towards Earth at an astonishing 20 miles per second. Now imagine the energy released upon impact. The asteroid's collision with Earth was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, creating a crater approximately 120 miles wide and 20 miles deep. This colossal impact event is now known as the Chicxulub Impact, named after the town near the center of the crater in Mexico. The evidence supporting this catastrophic event is compelling. The most significant piece of evidence is the Chicxulub crater itself. Buried under layers of sediment and sea, it remained hidden until the late 20th century. Using sophisticated technology, scientists have mapped out this massive scar on the Earth's surface, a chilling testament to the asteroid's destructive power. But the crater is not the only evidence. Scientists have also discovered high levels of iridium in the sediment layer from that time. Iridium is rare on Earth's surface, but abundant in asteroids. The presence of this element in large amounts all around the globe suggests a massive asteroid impact. The asteroid's impact would have had immediate and disastrous effects. Massive firestorms would have swept across the globe, and a cloud of dust and debris would have blocked out the sun, plunging the Earth into darkness. This impact winter would have made it impossible for plants to photosynthesize, disrupting the food chain and leading to a mass extinction event. In a flash, the dinosaurs' reign was over. But what did this mean for the rest of life on Earth? In the aftermath of these cataclysmic events, Earth was a drastically different place. The world as we knew it had changed irrevocably. The air was thick with ash, the skies darkened for years, and the once vibrant ecosystems were now lifeless. The mighty dinosaurs that had ruled the planet for over 160 million years were no more. Along with them, around 75% of all species on Earth had perished. This devastating event, however, was not the end. It was a new beginning. It created a vacuum, a void in the natural world that needed to be filled. And nature, as it always does, found a way. The mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs and most life on Earth paved the way for the rise of a new kind of creature, mammals. Mammals, the warm-blooded, fur-covered vertebrates, had been living in the shadows of the dinosaurs for millions of years. They were small, nocturnal, and largely insignificant in the grand scheme of things. But with the dinosaurs gone, they were suddenly presented with a world of opportunities. They began to adapt, evolve, and diversify. They filled the empty niches left by the dinosaurs, expanding into new habitats and taking on new forms. Over the course of millions of years, these mammals evolved into an astounding array of species. Some took to the skies, others to the seas. Some grew to be as large as the dinosaurs themselves, while others remained small and elusive. They developed complex social structures, intricate behaviors, and diverse diets. They became the dominant life form on Earth, shaping the planet in ways the dinosaurs never had. And among these mammals, one lineage stood out. This lineage, known as primates, would eventually give rise to a species unlike any other. A species capable of thinking, creating, and understanding the world around them. A species that could look back through time and unravel the mysteries of its own past. From the ashes of extinction, a new era dawned, one that would eventually lead to us, humans. The extinction of the dinosaurs is one of the greatest mysteries in science, a testament to the impermanence and fragility of life. As we journeyed together through this narrative, we delved into the reign of the dinosaurs, their dominance on our planet, and the cataclysmic events that led to their ultimate demise. The Deccan Trap's eruption, a volcanic event of almost unfathomable scale, began this chain of destruction. This catastrophe, which occurred hundreds of thousands of years before the final blow, drastically altered the environment, creating a harsh and inhospitable world. The dinosaurs, already weakened by the effects of the Deccan traps, were then met with the devastating impact of an asteroid. This celestial body hurtling towards Earth extinguished the reign of the dinosaurs and wiped out a staggering 75% of all species. The evidence we have, the timing of these events, paints a clear, albeit devastating, picture of the dinosaurs' extinction. Yet in the aftermath of this mass extinction, life found a way to persist, to evolve, and to thrive once more. The rise of the mammals, a group of creatures once overshadowed by the colossal dinosaurs, marked a new era on Earth. These adaptable and diverse creatures filled the void left by the dinosaurs and eventually, through millions of years of evolution, led to us, humans. The extinction of the dinosaurs, while a somber chapter in Earth's history, provides us with invaluable insights into the resilience and adaptability of life. It serves as a stark reminder of the impact environmental changes can have on the biosphere and the vital role we must play in preserving our planet for the generations to come. As we unravel the past, we gain insights into our present and future. The story of the dinosaurs serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the grand tapestry of life on Earth.